Good. Әмсә, мұшу немек қараңла. Okay. Әмсә, мағы сөзләрні бір теграл етемін қолла. Қараңла неме, yoldaşı marasımda kim eken? Yoldaşı var eken. Ama yoldaşı degen ne? Husband. Good. Marasımda kim? Husband. Ayalınca. Ayalını wife. Okay. Ayalın deyimiz wife. Eğer kızı degen ne ço? Daughter. Okay. Daughter degen ne? Kızı. Oğlu. Oğlu bolsa son. Ama miyarıma two daughters var eken. Ama miyarıma butcher. Birinci söz nemeydi? Bugün degenimiz butcher. Good. Ara butcher degenimiz ne miyarı sanla? Butcher degenimiz kassap. Kassap ne? Butcher deydiğen gap. Hem de göç degeni ço meat. Alright. Göç degenimiz meat. Good. Meat. Hem mesela meat'in qaysı göçleri var? Mesela chicken, lamb, steak, beef. Wow, hemmesi degen kat parçalap kıyma kıvırsak bu ne bolları sanla? Mince. Okay, to tell you the truth, rast gap ne desem. Good. Demek anlamı sözler husband, wife, butcher, meat, chicken, lamb, steak, beef, mince. Good. Hoş, hemse. Sağ arkadaşlar, şu bugünkü dersimizden tekst geldik. Andaqda tekstni nayetli köңіл qo'yib bir anlasanglar, anlagandan keyin shuniki tafsiliy mazmunga kelsak. All right, listen carefully.
Do you want any meat today, Mrs. Bird?
Yes, please.
Do you want beef or lamb?
Beef, please.
This lamb's very good.
I like lamb, but my husband doesn't.
What about some steak? This is a nice piece.
Give me that piece, please. And a pound of mince, too.
Do you want a chicken, Mrs. Bird? They're very nice.
No, thank you. My husband likes steak, but he doesn't like chicken.
To tell you the truth, Mrs. Bird, I don't like chicken either.
Okay, guys, have you finished? Good. So look, look at the picture and guess. So first, where's the woman? Can you answer? Where is the woman? Can you answer? Where is the woman? So what does she want? And what does she want? There are lamb, chicken, mince, everything, right? Okay, and that one butcher. So what does she want? And what about some steak? Yalpaqlangan şöyle kalı qovuruğusu lazım mıken? What about some steak? Lazım mıken, lazım mıken? Anlamlı bu? Değer bulunma? Does? Yes, he does? Or no? Okay. So, what about some mince? Andaqda qiymi göççü. Onun zarı qiymi göç lazım mıken? Yoki lazım mıken? What about mince? Yes? Okay, if you yes. Alright, good. So, does she want any chicken? Does she want any chicken? Look at the picture. Qaranglar. Bu resim qarasanglar, o bir chicken ehtiyojlanmi ekan? Does she? Alright. So, according to your lesson, and you cross, tick, for true, and it's a tick for true and cross for fails. Andaqda to'g'ri bo'lsa to'g'ri belgisini qo'yinglar, xato bo'lsa xato belgisini qo'yinglar. So what she doesn't want, endi mushariki u xohlamaydiganlardan sizib chiqinglar deydi. Masalan, does she want beef? Yes or no? If you yes. So does she want lamb? Does she want lamb? No, she doesn't want, right? So does she want steak? Does she want steak? Yeah. Alright, does she want mince? Okay, and the qiyma go'sht lazım ekan? Yes? Yes or no? Okay, yes. Does she want chicken? No. She doesn't want a chicken. So what does Mr. Bird like? Okay, what does Mr. Bird like, guys? And the Mr. Bird efendim. Bird efendim nime lazım ken? And the nimega amrah ken? So what doesn't he like? And o nimega o'chgan? And mushuk savol javob berib beringlar. Okay. Look, read and match. Amsa, sizlar bir tarafdan o'qig'ach, anda tuvandagi mushu narslarni tutashtirib beringlar. Masalan, bunda do you want any meat? Deyra. Okay. Do you want any meat today, Mrs. Bird? Desa. Deyra. Yes, please. Azroq bering. Do you want beef or lamb? Do you want beef or lamb? Which one? Beef, please. Bir kala go'shti bersangiz. This lamb is very good. Okay. And bu qo'y go'shti intayin yaxshi desa nima deydi? Nima deydi vallah? Kitobini qarab javob bersanglar bo'ladi-ku. Nima deydi? This one. I like lamb, but my husband doesn't. Demak, endi ayol qo'y go'shtiga amroq ekan, lekin iri qanaqa qilmaydi, yoqtirmaydi. So what about some steak? What about some steak? Steak. Give me that piece, please. Okay. All right. So do you want the chicken? Chicken, is it? No. Thank you. Right? Demak, endi qanday desanglar, mushundoqda mushu tekstga asosan bir tutashtirildi.